So we were discussing regarding the full service ad agencies. So the digital marketing aspects of a business. Okay, here they cover all the things. One is the traditional method also and digital marketing aspects also. So full service ad agencies are made up of team experts that we have discussed in last class, and they are one-stop shop of services. So what you can do in full service ad design, what services they provide. They provide ad campaigns, strategic planning, TV ads, social media management, content creation, web development, radio commercials, search engine optimization, graphic designing, and lead nurturing. So these almost all aspects we have already seen, and that some of the part we have already studied in e-marketing also. Next, when to use it. Okay. So a full service ad agency is appropriate if your business needs the full stack of marketing. If you're very, big mammoth who are entering the market, so then you can go for the full service ad agencies. They will be able to deliver results through TV ads as well as social media campaigns because their marketing activities are so comprehensive. We'll also want an internal hire who can devote a lot of their time to working with this agency. So it should be a big mammoth, big company who are working for a huge market area. So then you can choose up with full service ad agency. Next, traditional ad agency also primarily work with traditional forms of media such as newspaper, television, commercials, radio, and print media only. So these are suited only who are trying to reach local audience rather than going for the huge audience. So a strategic direct mail campaign for a local restaurant or a billboard promoting the opening day of a new museum can be an effective use of traditional forms of media. So you don't need to go for online or digital methods. Digital ad agency. So here they specialize in all things online. Okay, they probably have familiarity with the traditional media, but their primary focus lies in the digital sphere, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, website design and development, lead generation, email marketing, account-based marketing, and marketing automation also, which is automatically generated. So that we can go for digital ad agency that we have seen these all aspects in e-marketing. When to use it? So digital ad agencies are the best fit for companies trying to reach very specific audience because digital marketing platform allows for advanced targeting capabilities and wide reach. So we have discussed this. If you want to target a particular age group, particular search groups, especially your advert is related to the students of this age, or then you can go up with the digital ad agencies. Social media ad agency only focuses on social medias rather than on all digital art platforms. Like your Pinterest is there, Facebook is there, then you have Twitter is there, then you have your Instagram. So here they work with the different social channels, even YouTube also. Okay, even you can come up with LinkedIn also. So these are all come up with the social media agencies. When to use social media? It's all agencies are good fit for companies who are looking to accomplish a single goal, such as selling skateboards through social media platform. These marketing agencies usually have a creative team, content team, and might have even photographers and videographers also. Public relation ad agencies. Okay. So PR agencies serve to improve and manage the public image of a company and its employees. Okay. So PR agency are often used for enterprise level companies and CEOs, focusing on getting a company or the CEO featured in the news, a big news we can say, on industry websites and the community. So when we can come up with this PR agencies, they are best for organization looking to improve the public awareness of the brand or their public image of the company. So PR agencies are especially important for brands that are frequently in the public view because they help manage the public impression of the organization or its leader. Specifically, for example, if I say Mahindra, okay, Anand Mahindra is there, so he will coming up with his vision and all discussion of the things happening in India. Okay, he will be giving a home to an Idli, whoever have won the cricket match series in Australia. Youngsters, four of them have got the Thar car. So that can be he is representing them. So that will become a public relation ad agency. Branding ad agencies. So here specialize in your guessed it. So branding, they will usually conduct through market research to better understand the competitive landscape and offer a range of services that include logo, design, brand name development, creative identities, and signages. So they only focus on the branding part of the thing. You will find some flyers. Okay, if you visit any this retail shop or a supermarket, you will find branding products which will be hanging, will be there. You can find out. So you have done this activity in classroom where we Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, we created a retail outlet in class itself. So you people brought some different branding flyers and hangings. Okay. So when to use it? A branding agency is best if you are considering or planning an organizational rebrand or interested in seeing how your current brand is pursued in the market. So there you can go with the branding ad agency. Creative ad agency. So creative ad agencies focuses on the design and graphics of a brand. Okay. So but outsource the strategy and execution to other marketing partners. They usually excel logo design, print marketing, letterheads, billboards, and business cards, which are very creative in nature. Okay, which attracts you while looking. So it drag the attention of the customers. So when we can use this, so this can be used well suited for organization who need to create a cohesive look. Okay, very different one and feel of their brand or who need to create some new marketing collateral. If I talk about local Bijapur, which is coming, you can Dange Arts is doing this creative ad. Okay, they are coming up with a different that digital mode of boarding system. Okay, so they are having a very nice letterheads. Okay, they are coming that fall under the creative ad agencies. Media buying ad agencies. So here focus on media planning and media buying, and they usually tailor their service to a specific channel. So they identify a time frame, recommend a budget, okay, and establish markets for reaching the target audience. So when we can use, so obviously, so these agencies are great for organization looking to only use a single channel of marketing, not going for multi-channel. They want to focus only particular paper media, okay, print media, or only television ad, or only a radio advertisement, or only social marketing advertisement. Only social that these agencies may have a creative team in-house, but they are typically most effective when paired with the creative ad agency. That's what I told. Next is the concept of advertising budget and advertising objectives. And this is a different topic. So what is advertising budget? So every advertisement requires some amount to be spent on it, depends on the channel which we are using for. So channel decides how much we have to pay. So the budget decided on that basis. So how much money we are going to allocate for that particular advertisement of brand or a product. The company passes a budget every year according to the requirement. If a product is new, budget will be high. If product is old, the budget will be minimum. While developing an advertising strategy, it is empirical to set advertising objectives which are significantly influenced by the advertising budget. Now, what are advertising objectives? So without objectives, we cannot go ahead because objectives are those standards, okay? So where we can measure our results, okay? So without objectives, we cannot measure result what we have achieved. Before setting an advertising budget, we have to set the objectives. According to objective, we set money on it and that money will be utilized. Okay, so this concept you have studied in your B plan preparation, how much money you are allocating for your advertising. Okay, how much that will cost you. Okay, next, a business may choose a sales objectives or communication objective for the purpose of developing an advertising budget. So if you see, look at sales objectives, what might be the sales objective a company can set? Okay, so the objective is to increase the sale of products or to complement the selling effort of the sales department. The objective may be changed from time to time depending upon the volume of sales, which may be influenced by, first of all, price of the products we want to market. advertising and promotions, personal selling, competition, consumer tastes, product quality, the economic situation, technology, and direct action, advertising. So these might be the influence things. So where we are deciding the sales objective. So obviously we look for increasing the sales. Okay, we a team always take efforts to increase the sales. Everyone behind the sales, the target. We have already studied this concept in economics, that is sales maximization theory, how it is important. That is given by Baumels. Okay, so it depends on the objective. So obviously we have to set an objective to improve the sales. On what basis we are doing the marketing, advertising. Second comes the communication objective. So the objective is to create awareness rather than sales. So develop interest or to change an attitude of the consumers. So for this purpose, a business may choose to, for example, increase the percentage of target customer who associate with okay, who associate a special feature or benefit with company's brand. Okay, so they want to increase the percentage of the target consumer. That is our communication objective. Next, increase number of customers who prefer company's brand over competing brand. That is our objective, and we are going to communicate it. Next is increase company's brand usage among existing members. So, okay, so they want to in already customer we are having. Now we want to make it more usage already who are our customers. Encouraging a brand trial among targeted customer. Let them try that they can get benefited. If they like it, they are satisfied with, so they can purchase our products. So these are the two types of objective we fix for advertising objectives. One is sales objective, another one is communication objectives. So tomorrow we will study about the types of budget of advertising. Okay, so this is regarding today's class. Thank you.